Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to avoid toll roads and save money on Google Maps. So to do this, it's very simple. I have just to go to Google Maps. I will search for example, this direction. And after that, I will click direction. Of course, you should enter like your location or the location of the place that you want to start your road from it and your destination. And after that, as you can see near to your location, there is 3 points. You have just to go and click on them. And after that, you have option, click on it. And as you can see, the first option is avoid tolls. Avoid tolls. So to avoid tolls, you have just to activate this option, and by activating this option, you will avoid toll roads and save money while using Google Maps and while traveling. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you